Sa teacher nating naging pangalawang nanay natin.
Oh, Scarlett, kanina ka pa tahimik. May problema ka ba?
Ano po kasi ma'am, family problem lang po.
Oh, kwento mo sa akin, makikinig ako. Baka may matulong ako sa'yo. Nak, ang bababa ng mga scores mo sa akin. Nangangalib kang bumagsak.
Ma'am, sorry po. Dami ko po kasing inisip na itong mga nakarang araw eh.
Sige, pagbibigyan kita ngayon ha. Pero promise mo sa akin na babawi ka next quarter.
Talaga ma'am? Thank you ma'am, babawi ako, promise.
Sa teacher nating hindi madamot sa grades.
Okay, class, pwede na kayo mag-lunch. Oh, hindi ka kakain?
Wala po kasi akong baon ma'am.
Oh, eto. Kumain ka na oh.
Salamat po ma'am.
Magsabi ka lang sa akin, Nak, ha? Hindi ka makakaisip ng maayos pag wala kang kain.
Sa teacher nating nagbibigay ng pagkain. Sa lahat ng mga teacher sa mundo na nagturo sa amin kung paano lumaban sa buhay, Happy Teacher's Day.
Hay naku, anak. Grabe talaga yung sa Brianna. Ang kalat-kalat palagi ng kwarto. Parang binagyo. Di ka pa nasanay kay Ate Brianna, Nay. Tapos, yung Ate Scarlett mo, buong gabi may kausap. Feel ko boyfriend niya yun. Wait lang, Nay. Tapusin ko lang to. Nakikinig ako, promise. Tapos, yung Kuya Miguel mo, palagi nasa barkada niya. Hindi na umuwi dito. Yes! May reward ako! Ano ba, anak? Nagkakwento ako dito. Puro kalaro dyan. Kasi naman, Nay, nakaka-excite. Tapos, may pa-freebies pa tong Joyrun. May game na kasi inside the Jollibee Delivery app. Just open the app and press the widget to enter the game. Tapos, pwede ka maka-unlock ng rewards. Ang saya naman yan, anak. Pero, paano gamitin yung mga rewards? Kapag mag-order ka na, just enter the reward code here to enjoy your freebie. Promo runs from August 11 to October 15. Kaya mag-download ka na rin, Nay. Nandito na yung Jollibee! Yes! May reward ako! Ay, wow. Nag-enjoy na rin siya, oh. Gusto ko lang maging malinaw sa inyo na dito sa klase ko, ako ang nasusunod. Naintindihan?
Ma'am, ito po yung assignment ko.
Anong klaseng assignment to? Parang ginawa lang ng bata. Mababa lang grades mo dito, ha?
Pinaghirapan ko yung assignment na yan.
Sino ang pambansang bayani natin? Ma'am, Scarlett. Ang pambansang bayani natin ay si... Oops! Napakabagal mo sumagot. Ang pambansang bayani natin. Straight to the point ang kailangan ko sagot. Ayusin yung sumagot, ha? Hindi na kayo elementary.
Opo, ma'am.
Pinayagan ba kita kumain sa loob ng klase ko?
Ma'am.
Akin na yan. Kung ayaw niyong binabastos kayo, wag niyo akong bastusin. Oo, be. Kain tayo sa labas mamaya, ha?
Hala, galit na si ma'am.
Umalis lang ako saglit, ganyan na kayo. First meeting pa lang natin, pinapakita nyo ng mga ugali nyo. Buti pa yung kabilang section, tahimik lang. Kayo na ata ang worst section na napuntahan ko.
Kung kami ang worst section, ikaw ang worst teacher.
Sorry po, ma'am.
At dahil dyan, bibigyan ko kayo ng maraming assignment.
Ma'am? Oh, Scarlett, kamusta ka? Sana ikaw na lang ulit teacher namin. Ang sungit ng bago naming teacher eh.
Hayaan mo, next quarter, ako na ulit ang magiging teacher nyo.
Talaga, ma'am? Thank you, Lord!
Okay, class! Namiss nyo ba ako?
Bumalik na si ma'am!
At dahil first meeting natin, hindi muna ako magli-lesson. Gusto nyo ba yon?
Ma'am, pwede po kami kumain sa kantin?
Sure! Oh, yung mga gustong kumain, kumain na. Gawin nyo na lahat ng gusto nyong gawin. Basta, today lang yan ha. Next week, magli-lesson na tayo.
Grabe, ang bait talaga ni ma'am, no?
True be, kaya favorite ko yan si ma'am eh. Tara na, kain na tayo. Okay, class, what is the powerhouse of the cell? Scarlett?
Ano ba yun?
Starts with letter M.
Mitochondria?
Very good! Kaya mo naman pala eh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, class, mag-e-exam kayo ha. Dinalian ko na to para sa inyo. Lahat ng nasa lesson natin, nandito. Okay, get one and pass.
Oo nga, ang dali lang. Makaka-perfect pa ata ako.
A few moments later.
Okay, time's up. Pass your papers.
Wow naman, lahat kayo nakakuha ng high scores.
Magaling ka kasi magturo, ma'am. Okay, class, dahil Friday ngayon, gusto ko mag-enjoy kayo sa weekends. Kaya naman, hindi ako magbibigay ng assignment.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Makakagala ako.
At isa pa, class, malapit na mga anak si teacher, oh. Magli-leave muna ako ng ilang months.
Ha?
Habang wala ako, si Ma'am Diana muna ang papalit sa akin. Maging mabait kayo sa kanya, ha? Hi, class! Namiss niyo ba ako? At dahil first meeting natin, may surprise quiz kayo.
Nandito na naman yung pet peeve ko.
Hindi! Hindi! Ma'am, pwede pa po ba ako mag-take ng quiz? Sorry po kung absent ako kahapon. Nilagnat po kasi ako eh. Ay, hindi na pwede. Di ba sabi ko, pag absent na, bawal na mag-quiz. Ano yan, one day lagnat? Tigilan mo ako. Ang sabihin mo, tinatamad ka mag-aral.
Ma'am, please, sige na. Humahabol po kasi ako na with honors eh.
Oh, okay ko. Kung gusto mo mag-with honors, hindi ka dapat nagkakasakit. Ay, hello ma'am. Good afternoon po. Ah, yes po ma'am. Kayo po yung nanay ni Scarlett, di ba? Ay, opo ma'am. Yung anak ko kasi nilagnat. Kawawa naman. Pwede pa po ba siya mag-take ng quiz? Humahabol kasi siya ng with honors eh. Sayang naman. Ay, ganun po ba ma'am? Kawawa naman po pala si Scarlett. Di bale ma'am, bibigyan ko na lang po siya ng quiz. Nak, sa susunod kasi magsabi ka sa akin ha. Hindi po kasi siya nagsasabi sa akin eh. Nagka-amnesia siguro to. Naku, salamat sa konsiderasyon ma'am ha. Sobrang bait niyo po. Ay, opo ma'am. Mabait po talaga ako. Di ba nak? Ah, opo nay. Mabait po siya.
Pag pinaluha mo ang nanay mo, tandaan mo, may kabayaran ang bawat luha niya. Isipin mo ito, noong maliit ka pa, ilang beses ka bang umiyak sa gabi? Ilang beses kang nagkasakit at nag-alala siya? Ilang beses kang nagutom at tiniis niya ang sarili niyang gutom para lang may maihain sa'yo? Pero ngayon, sino ang lumuluha?
Ah, ganun.
Pag sumagot ang bata, bastos agad? Hindi ba pwedeng nagpapaliwanag lang? Hindi ba natin kaya makinig? Lalo na kung ang bata, maayos naman ang pananalita, hindi naman mataas ang boses, hindi naman bastos pag nagpapaliwanag. Ang iba kasi sa atin, hindi naman nila lahat, talagang ayaw makinig. Pag nagpapaliwanag na ang bata, sure na tayo.
Anak, oh, manood ka nitong Cocomelon para malibang ka. Ah, sige po, Nay. Ang cute nila.
Quack, quack, but only 4 little ducks came back.
Cocomelon ba yun?
No, bawal yan, bawal yan. Ang dede ay pribado, bawal ipakita to. Hindi
Anak, ano yung pinapanood mo, ha? Ah, Nay, eto na yung bagong Cocomelon. Ay, iba na pala yung Cocomelon ngayon.
ang kwet ay pribado, bawal ipakita to.
In fairness, educational siya, ha?
Ang pepe ay pribado, bawal ipakita to. Hindi dapat.
It's me, bro! Yo, what the fuck?
What are you watching? What are you looking at? I wanna see. Chill out, bro. Oh my fucking god!
Coming out with us tonight.
No, I don't really want to.
Okay, I'm gonna tell the whole school you're a nerd and a
why?
loser.
What?
And I'm gonna tell Natalie not to go to prom with you.
No, okay, I'll go. I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Coming out with us tonight.
No, I have a lot of homework
You're so
tonight.
lame now. Fine.
Okay, fine. I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Let's go.
Hey yo, people get confused by the sound of your voice because it doesn't match how you look. Check.
Oh my god, hi. Kyle, the girl you're eating dinner with last night, is that your girlfriend?
Yeah.
You guys are dating?
Yeah. She's good looking, huh?
Ugliest fucking
What?
girl I've ever seen.
What?
Bro, no one else is gonna tell you this but me. I'm just trying to be honest with you.
Bro.
Dude, she's lead but ugly.
Bro, we're about to get
You need
married,
no, you
bro.
need to break it off, break it off.
Bro, I got a promotion for $30 an hour. Let's go.
$30 an hour?
Yeah.
You know you're still broke after taxes?
Bro, what?
Dude, I'm just trying to be honest. I'm a real friend. I just want to be honest with you.
God, what the fuck are you wearing? Bro, you look so ugly.
Bro, change that
Bro,
right now.
what?
Don't change, bro. You're ugly. Bro. Kyle, are you done?
Yeah, I'm almost done. Hey, do I look skinnier though, bro?
Kyle, you're always fat, bro. No
What?
matter how much you run, you're gonna look fat as fuck.
Bro,
Stop
what are
running,
you
bro.
saying?
Let's go, bro. I'm hungry.
You want me to stop working out?
Yes, let's
Bro,
go. I'm
you're
hungry.
fat, bro. Why are you so mean to me?
Bro, I'm just being honest with you.
No, you're
I'm a
not.
real friend.
No, you're being mean for no reason, bro.
sensitive, bro.
Yo, where are we going after this?
I don't know, bro.
Wait, where's your what?
Kyle, isn't that your crush?
Yo, oh, it is. It
Dude,
is.
haven't you liked this since like second grade?
Yeah, yeah. Be quiet though. Be quiet. Don't make it obvious. Don't make it obvious.
Kyle,
Yo, stop. Chicho, stop.
saying, Kyle's
Chicho,
saying.
stop.
Kyle, did you just make 10K on Kalshi?
Yes, bro. Be quiet. Stop,
you don't know
bro.
you made 10K
No,
with
I don't
Kalshi.
care. Be quiet. Don't make it obvious. Bro, come on,
What's her
dude.
name again?
Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Yo, shh.
Mga anak ko, I got a new bag! Nay, bumili ka na naman? Ilang araw na tayong walang makain. Tapos inunan mo pa yan? Nay, nagugutom na ako. Kayong dalawa, wala kayong karapatan magreklamo ha? Anak lang naman kayo ng tatay niyo sa una niyang asawa. Tatawag ako kay tatay. Akin na yung cellphone mo. Hinding-hindi mo na ito makukuha sa akin.
Ate, natatakot na ako sa kanya.
O eto, kumain ka na.
Ate, ganito na lang ba talaga buhay natin?
Hindi. Hahanap ako ng paraan para makausap si tatay. Love, padala ka naman ng 50,000, oh. Magbabayad kasi ako ng tuition ng mga anak mo. Tapos ang dami pa nilang pinapabili. Tay, hindi totoo yan! Sinungaling siya! Wala na siya. Akala mo talaga makakasumbong ka? Talagang sinusubukan mo ko, ha? Walang iya ka talaga, tita! Ayan, diyan kayo nababagay. Ikukulong ko kayo dito. Wala akong pake kung ano mangyari sa inyo! Tay, tulungan mo kami. Ate, mamamatay na ba tayo dito? Tiwala lang, Kyle. Kakayanin natin to. Kyle? Ang taas ng lagnat mo. Tita, tulong! Dali natin sa hospital si Kyle! Ang ingay naman ng mga yun. May bago na naman akong bag. Kyle! Delivery po. Salamat naman, dumating na yung bago ko cellphone. Oh, ano pa ginagawa mo dyan? Binayaran ko na to sa online. Tama nga sila. Inuubos mo lahat ng pera ko sa mga luho mo. Ha? Ramon? Umuwi ka? Kukulong ko kayo dito. Wala akong pake kung ano mangyari sa inyo. Grabe ng pinagagawa ng babaeng to. Ginagawang hayop ang mga bata. Ramon, kailangan mo nang umuwi dito. Walang iya talaga yung si Rosa. Lumayas ka na dito, ha? Ayaw ko makita yung pagmumukha mo. Tsaka lahat ng mga pinambibili mo, bayaran mo to sa akin. Tapos na ang maliligayang araw mo. Scarlett! Scarlett! Tay! Kyle! Okay na si Kyle. Buti na lang, agad niya siya nadala dito. Sorry mga anak. Kung alam ko lang, uuwi ako agad. Tay, ang importante, nandito ka na. Yay! Nandito na si tatay! Makakain na ulit tayo ng masarap, ate! Huwag kayong mag-alala, anak. Hinding-hindi na kayo malalapitan ng babaeng yon. Pangako.
Carl, look over there.
Whoa. What are you doing? You're grown.
I was trying to tickle you.
Yo, Jason, we're at the vineyard. Do you still want to check it out?
Yeah, sure, whatever. I don't care.
What?
We're already here. Might as well.
What? Yo, Jason, the vineyard's cool, huh?
I mean, it's cool, but do you actually think I'm annoying, Kyle?
Jason, are we still gonna eat after this?
No, bro. Like,
What?
I'm annoying, right? Like, am I actually annoying to you?
Bro.
I should just go home and be annoying. You could be real and tell me if I'm annoying. Cause
Bro.
I'm annoying, right?
Dude.
Yeah, I'm going home.
Yo, I'm sorry, Jason. Did I hurt your feelings earlier?
No, it's okay, Kyle. Like, I was just being sensitive. Am I really annoying though?
Hi, babe, I'm home.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Just wanted to give you a hug.
No, you know this. We only hug on weekends. We don't touch each other Monday through Friday. You know this. I'm claustrophobic. Don't touch, okay? It's Tuesday.
What? Babe, let's go do something.
Bro, I'm shopping Kalshi right now. Why are you bothering?
You're always on your phone. Can you pay attention to me?
You always want attention. You want attention 24/7. Dude, I just lost because of you. It's all your fault.
I'm hungry. Can we get some food?
Food again? Bro, you're always trying to eat. Like, let's just go to the gym. Here, I have water for you. Just drink on this.
Why don't you go hang out with your friends? Oh, I forgot. I'm your only friend, right? You have no friends.
O conselho do dia é: antes de iniciar um projeto, veja se tem recursos disponíveis.
Dad, the tooth fairy didn't come last night. Oh, son, I'm sorry. He's a busy man, though. Oh, come on, son, don't cry. No! No! What are you doing?
Class, may joke ako. Anong hayop ang hindi marunong magtago? Ano po, ma'am? Eh di, elepante, kasi di ba malaki siya? Corny ni ma'am. Trubes. Nakakatawa ka talaga, ma'am. Oh, +1 si Samantha, kasi siya lang yung tumawa. Thank you, ma'am. Lo, pwede pala yun? Ma'am, eto po, para sa inyo po to. Hala, ang ganda naman nito. Balita ko po kasi, ma'am, mahilig kayo sa halaman. Thank you, Samantha. Baka naman, ma'am, plus points sa quiz natin kanina. Sure, +5 ka na sa akin. Ikaw pa ba? Hala siya, pasip-sip to kay ma'am, oh. Okay, class dismiss. Pwede na kayo umuwi. Ma'am, ako na po magdadala ng mga gamit nyo para di po kayo mahirapan. Hatid ko na po kayo, ma'am. Aba naman, buti pa si Samantha, matulungin.
Ginagawa niya lang naman yun para magka-plus point siya.
Ay, nakakainis si Samantha, no? Halatang nagpapasip-sip lang siya kay ma'am. True. Kaya siya yung top 1 palagi eh, dahil sa mga binibigay na points si ma'am. Guys, tingnan nyo. Convoy ng magulang ni Samantha tsaka ni ma'am. Babayaran daw si ma'am para maging valedictorian si Samantha. Grabe.
Sumusobra na kayo.
Okay, class, may i-announce ako. Ang valedictorian natin ay si... Sino pa ba? Eh, di si Samantha. Hala, totoo ba? Hindi ko expect. Congrats, Samantha! Ang galing nyo! Ang galing mong bumili ng grades! Ha? Scarlett, sit down! Ay, no! Convo niyo to, di ba? Magkano binigay sa'yo, ma'am? 1 milyon? Wow, easy money!
Alo, nagpapabayad si ma'am. Grabe.
Ano kaya magiging reaction ng principal pag nasend ko to sa kanya? Hindi yan totoo! I-delete mo yan! Oops! Sorry na send.
Deserve nyo yan. Lumalaban kami ng patas dito. Kailangan nyo managot.
That looks good. You want some? No, that's alright.
This is good. Where did you say you got this from?
So, you get underneath the cow.
What?
And like those dangly things underneath the cow, you just squeeze them and milk them and pinch them.
What?
Alright, countries, if it were cold outside, what would you wear? What's cold? I've never heard of it before. Yeah, same. It must be some kind of new word or something. I would probably wear like a winter jacket, maybe some boots, maybe a hat. Okay, so cold. How cold are we talking? Let's just say -11 degrees Celsius, which is about like 12 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, come on. I thought we were talking cold weather. And maybe like a tank top or something?
Hi, babe, I'm home.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Just wanted to give you a hug.
No, you know this. We only hug on weekends. We don't touch each other Monday through Friday. You know this. I'm claustrophobic. Don't touch, okay? It's Tuesday.
What? Babe, let's go do something.
Bro, I'm shopping Kalshi right now. Why are you bothering?
You're always on your phone. Can you pay attention to me?
You always want attention. You want attention 24/7. Dude, I just lost because of you. It's all your fault.
I'm hungry. Can we get some food?
Food again? Bro, you're always trying to eat. Like, let's just go to the gym. Here, I have water for you. Just drink on this.
Why don't you go hang out with your friends? Oh, I forgot. I'm your only friend, right? You have no friends.
Coming out with us tonight.
No, I don't really want to.
Okay, I'm gonna tell the whole school you're a nerd and a
why?
loser.
What?
And I'm gonna tell Natalie not to go to prom with you.
No, okay, I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Coming out with us tonight.
No, I have a lot of homework
You're so
tonight.
lame now. Fine.
Okay, fine, I'll go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Let's go.
Mga anak, gumawa na kayo ng assignment nyo. Aba, anong nakain ng mga to? Himala hindi nagsa-cellphone. Gusto kasi namin ng mataas na grades, Nay. True, Nay. At dahil dyan, deserve nyo ng ganito. Wow! Hashtag small wins! Mga anak, kain na! Ngayon, nakabili na ako ng bagong phone. Tagal ko din pinag-ipunan to, Nay, nakapasa kami sa defense namin. Makakatulog na ako ng maayos. Aba, parang kaya nyo na nang wala ako, Joke! O eto, reward ko sa inyo. Gutom na gutom? Mga anak, ang bilis nyo namang lumaki. Oo nga, Nay Piruin mo, may business na ako. Oh, Nay, may bahay na ako! Sobrang proud ako sa inyo, mga anak. Proud din kami sa'yo, Nay. Kami naman na malilibre sa'yo na Super Meals. Grabe, ang sarap talaga mag-celebrate with Jollibee Super Meals, no? Ito ang pinaka-rewarding for me dahil andito ang best tasting favorites ko in one special plate. Tama, Nay! Tingnan mo naman tong Super Meal B. May Chicken Joy, half spaghetti. At may fries, rice, at drinks pa. Ikaw, ano ang recent wins mo? Huwag mo kalimutan na hashtag superdeserve mo din ng reward para sa sarili mo. Look at this me, bro! Yo, what the fuck?
Kyle, what did you eat?
Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing, bro?
What? What are you watching? What are you looking at?
Bro, chill out, bro. Oh my fucking god.
Kyle, look over there.
What? What are you doing?
What?
You're grown.
I was trying to tickle you.
Yo, Jason, we're at the vineyard. Do you still want to check it out?
Yeah, sure, whatever. I don't care.
What?
We're already here. Might as well.
Yo, Jason, the vineyard's cool, huh?
I mean, it's cool, but do you actually think I'm annoying, Kyle?
Jason, are we still gonna eat after this?
No, bro. Like,
What?
I'm annoying, right? Like, am I actually annoying to you?
Bro.
I should just go home and be annoying. You could be real and tell me if I'm annoying. Cause
Bro.
I'm annoying, right?
Dude.
Yeah, I'm going home.
Yo, I'm sorry, Jason. Did I hurt your feelings earlier?
No, it's okay, Kyle. Like, I was just being sensitive. Am I really annoying, though?
That looks good. You want some? No, that's alright.
Nay, namumulang mata ko. Ayan, kaka-cellphone mo yan eh.
Nay, 4 over 50 lang ako sa quiz namin kanina.
Naku, kaka-cellphone mo kasi yan anak eh.
Nay, parang umi-effect na skincare mo. Ang fresh mo na.
I know right? Hindi kasi ako gaya mo na puro cellphone.
Nay, ubos na pabango ko.
Oh, puro ka kasi cellphone.
Nay, ninakawan daw yung kapitbahay natin. Grabe nakakatakot.
Oh, ayan, cellphone pa more.
Nay, sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Tapos, inuubo pa ako.
Ayan!
Oh, alam ko na sasabihin mo. Oo na, kaka-cellphone ko na to.
Ay hindi, iba na yan. Kapag may 2 symptoms ka, gaya ng headache at ubo, pwedeng flu na 2. Oh, eto anak, uminom ka nitong BioFlu.
Ay wow, hindi sinisi ang cellphone na.
15 minutes later.
Nay, bumubuti na pakiramdam ko.
O, diba? Mom knows best talaga.
Nay, nawawala yung pera ko sa bulsa.
Nakita mo ba? Hindi mo kasi iniingatan yung 500 pesos mo eh. At higit sa lahat, kaka-cellphone mo yan.
Ha? Wait, paano niya nalaman na 500 yung nawawalang pera?